All right, kids, are you ready to dive into the world of diverse and pretty sea animals? Look, who comes flippering and gliding so fast? It's Turtle. Turtles might be slow on land, but they are excellent swimmers. Turtles are like the wise elders of the animal kingdom. Some can live for a very, very long time, even longer than your grandma and grandpa. Oh my God! Oh my God! What is that? Oh, it's an octopus. Well, hello, Mr. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms, and they're super soft because they have no bones. They are very squishy, squishy, squishy. When octopuses feel scared, they release a big, dark cloud of ink to confuse their enemies. Oh, Nexa Friendly Face. Dolphins have big, friendly smiles, just like you. Their smiles make them seem very happy all the time. They love to play and have fun. They do belly bumps with their friends. Dolphins are chatterboxes. They talk to each other using clicks and whistles. Starfish eat some pretty interesting things. They love munching on mussels, clams, and even small fish. But guess what? They don't use a fork or knife. They push their stomach outside of their body to eat their food. Seahorses. They're super duper small, and some are even as small as a paperclip. Wow. Imagine holding them up in your palm. Seahorses are one of the only fish with a neck. They can turn their heads in all directions to look for food and watch out for danger. Jellyfish. Did you know that jellyfish aren't actually fish? They don't have bones, scales, or fins like fish do. Instead, they're made up of a wobbly, jelly-like substance. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. They have special parts in their bodies that light up, making them look super cool in the deep, dark ocean. Subscribe for more